Hi, in today's tutorial I will be using the t-shirt yarn. This yarn is quite stretchy, so the bag will be stretchy too. Halfway through and this color is finished, so I will go with a different type of t-shirt yarn and a different color, and I'll be using 9mm hook. I'll start by making a chain of 21. So I made a chain of 25, so it's 21 plus 4, 21 divided by 3 and plus 4. And now I will skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and start a single crochet into the fourth one. And then I'll make a chain of 3 and make a single crochet into the third stitch. 1, 2, 3. A chain of 3 and a single crochet into the third stitch. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And now here I'll make 1, 2, 3, and I'll turn this around like this, and I will do again into this one. Yeah, and again 1, 2, 3 into this. 1, 2, 3 in the same stitch. Now here at the end I'm doing into this single crochet that we did here into this stitch, and now I'm not closing the round but I'm working in spiral, which means you see the first 3 stitches that we turned around in the first row, so I'll do 1, 2, 3 and I'll go inside here. Yeah, inside here. Bear with me, you'll understand later now in the next stitch. Now I'm doing again 1, 2, 3 and I'm going inside here. Then again 1, 2, 3 and I'm going inside here. 1, 2, 3, inside here. 1, 2, 3, inside here. 1, 2, 3, inside here. Now again here, so basically wherever you see these 3 stitches like the chains, we go inside, yeah? So now we go in the spiral here. 1, 3, here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. So this is the whole process, and you go around in spiral until you reach the desired depth of the bag. Halfway through, and this color is finished, so I will go with a different type of t-shirt yarn and a different color, so I'll have 2 shades bag. So let's go. I'll just attach it to here and continue. So far the back looks like this. So now I'm happy with the length of the bag, and I will do the handles. And I put it like that in 2, and I will start by doing a chain from here till here. Yeah, it's basically two of these ones, second one from the sides. So now I'll just start making a chain, which will be one handle. So this will be one handle. So I'm coming into here with a single crochet. Continue until on the other side. And now I'll make the same amount of chains for the second handle, yeah? So I did 28 chain for each handle, and I will close it here. And now here where I'm okay, one more, 3. So I'm doing the last one here, and now I'm doing just a slip stitch into each chain, yeah, into each stitch. So I'm gonna go like this with a slip stitch. And here I'm finished with slip stitches, and I'll go with single crochet into this one, yeah. Here you go, and continue until the next handle. And here again I will go straight with slip stitches, yeah. Once the second handle is finished, I did here the single crochet, yeah, after the slip stitches, and I will be closing, meaning I'll go here just with one more slip stitch and here, and now I will cut the yarn. So I cut the yarn, and then I'll remove this on here, and I decided to make like these bows where I changed the yarn, and I made another one in here. So I want to do one more, so I'll just take a bit of a yarn, cut, and add one more in here too. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I will answer all of them. Thank you. See you in the next one. Bye.